This is Team 9's final presentation. Our project aims to develop a web application that automatically generates electronic medical records for remote consultations. During the pandemic, NHS is facing an increasing number of remote consultations, while the documentation is inefficient and rarely gets shared with patients and other medical teams. Our purpose is to find an NLP-based solution for capturing, enriching, and summarizing the consultation session. The key requirement of our project is to build a web application that supports the transcription and summarization of the consultation audio and deploy a database that stores the generated electronic medical report. Our web app is developed using Python and Flask. HTML and CSS language are used in front-end development, and MySQL is used to create our database. The application is deployed by Microsoft Azure App Service and hosted on Azure servers. This diagram represents the system architecture of our application and how our audio data being processed. When the user uploaded an audio file to the front end of the web app, the file is transmitted to the app server, transcribed and summarized by the backend code. The electronic medical report generated will be stored in the database and returned back to the front end of the web app to be viewed by the user.
This is our NLP solution, which uses a Microsoft Azure Speech SDK for the speech-to-text aspect, and the text summarization implements an unsupervised BERT-based method for extractive text summarization. 18 machine learning algorithms are selected and evaluated in the system. A full paper and evaluation will be delivered with this project on this. And these are our finished functionalities. This is the homepage for the doctors, homepage for the patients. They're different because the patients is not able to access all the pages that the doctors can in order to avoid breaching patient confidentiality within our application. This is our upload page where the doctor can upload audio and also select a patient that the consultation has been done with. And then once this is uploaded, the processed audio is shown. The transcribed consultation is shown on the same page as the summarized consultation report. The doctor can choose whether they are satisfied with the transcribed audio and the summarized report. If yes, then it is stored in the database as the patient's record. If not, then it is not. And they can also choose to download the transcribed audio and the summarized consultation report on the spot. The doctor can also view all patients and choose which patient's records to also view and download. And the doctor can also create patient users and register them in the application. These patient users are stored in our database in the user table, and the role ID is set to the same ID that links to the patient role in the role table.
We successfully construct a web application that meets all key requirements in terms of our project outcome. Both the user and deployment menu will also be released with the source code of our app. We will also publish an evaluation paper on the extractive text summarization framework we established for our project. Our group website introduces our full development process, and you are free to take a look. Thank you for watching.